Good, throw your knockout punch. There you go. Nice. Good. Duck under the bag. Coming at you. Give me 10 hard and fast punches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Keep going.
I know, it's a little hard in the 7th round.
The seventh round longer?
No, but it's just you've done many rounds already. You gotta be getting tired.
I did.
Hit it hard. There you go. Look at that.
No. "30 seconds. Keep going. Hard, hard, hard." Hazel just broke your stuff. What are you going to do about it?
What?
She just broke your stuff.
What?
She's made you mad. I don't know, something. Your favorite art piece. You're supposed to be mad and punching hard now.
Oh, the old double fist.
All right. Nice work.
Good job.